Welcome to the latest edition of Public Health Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by LucidQuest. First, vaccine safety. The World Health Organization's Global Advisory Committee on Vaccine Safety reviewed evidence from 31 studies published between 2010 and 2025. The analysis found no causal link between vaccines and autism spectrum disorder, including vaccines containing thiomersal or aluminum adjuvants. High-quality studies from multiple countries, including a Danish cohort of children born between 1997 and 2018, showed no association with autism or other neurodevelopmental disorders. The committee reaffirmed conclusions reached in 2002, 2004, and 2012, emphasizing the importance of evidence-based immunization policies. Next, pancreatic cancer and the nervous system. New insights summarized in Nature show that pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma depends heavily on nerve signaling for growth, survival, and spread. Tumors release nerve growth factors, form pseudosynapses to use glutamate as fuel, steal amino acids such as serine from neurons, and suppress immune responses using neuron-like checkpoint proteins. In mouse models, combining nerve-targeting approaches with immunotherapy significantly reduced tumor burden, pointing to new multi-therapy strategies for cancer with a 5-year survival rate of about 13%. Third, immune tolerance and erythropoietin signaling. Researchers at Stanford University discovered that erythropoietin, or EPO, acts as a molecular switch in dendritic cells, controlling regulatory T-cell activity and immune tolerance. In mouse studies, increased EPO signaling promoted tolerance, while blocking the pathway converted immune suppression into strong anti-tumor responses, even against so-called cold tumors like melanoma. These findings, published in Nature, suggest potential applications in cancer, autoimmune disease, and transplantation. Fourth, a new framework for understanding autism. Scientists at the University of California, San Diego proposed a 3-hit model for autism spectrum disorder. The model integrates genetic susceptibility, early environmental triggers that activate a cellular danger response, and prolonged metabolic signaling that disrupts brain development. Rather than a single gene or exposure, autism risk may arise from interactions among mitochondrial function, immune signaling, and the microbiome, suggesting that some cases could be preventable through early screening and intervention. Fifth, immune system rejuvenation. Researchers from MIT and the Broad Institute used liver-targeted mRNA nanoparticles to deliver 3 thymic factors, DLL1, FLT3, and interleukin-7, to aged mice. After 4 weeks of treatment, 18-month-old mice showed restored T-cell diversity and function, improved vaccine responses, and better outcomes when combined with cancer immunotherapy. While these results are preclinical, they highlight a possible path toward healthier immune aging. Sixth, fever-resistant bird flu. Studies from the universities of Cambridge and Glasgow show that avian influenza viruses can replicate at fever temperatures up to 41 degrees Celsius, bypassing a key human defense. In mouse models, elevated body temperature halted human flu replication, but not avian strains. The PB1 gene was identified as a major contributor to heat tolerance, underscoring the importance of surveillance for spillover viruses with pandemic potential. Seventh, tea, coffee, and bone health. An analysis of nearly 9,700 US women over age 65, followed for about 10 years, found that regular tea consumption was associated with slightly higher hip bone mineral density. In contrast, heavy coffee intake, defined as more than 5 cups per day, was linked to lower bone density. These findings support nuanced lifestyle guidance for osteoporosis prevention. Finally, brain repair after injury. Recent preclinical research shows that astrocytes play an active role in white matter repair by regulating microglial activity. By clearing debris, reducing inflammation, and supporting remyelination, astrocyte microglia communication may become a therapeutic target for conditions such as stroke and multiple sclerosis. Stay ahead in public health research, like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consultation.